Hey my lovely viewers, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I'm Samya. Today I've brought to share with you all a delicious and refreshing summer drink, mango milkshake. You hardly need 3-4 ingredients to make this thick and creamy mango drink. So let's get started and quickly check out the ingredients. For this, here I have taken one large and ripe mango and roughly chopped it into pieces like this. Now add it into a blender jar. So guys, instead of one large mango, you can also go for two medium-sized mangoes. Now, I'm gonna add half cup sugar. So guys, before adding sugar, you can just taste a piece of a mango in order to check whether it is sweet or sour and accordingly adjust the sugar. So that means if mango is a little bit sour, you can increase the sugar. Now add around 1 glass of chilled milk to it. And at the last, in goes around 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now blend everything together. So guys, while blending, you can also add some ice cubes if your mango as well as milk is not chilled enough. So that's it guys, our rich, creamy and thick mango milkshake is all ready to be served. So just pour it directly into a glass like this. Then garnish it with some chopped pieces of mangoes, couple of mint leaves, and finally with some crushed nuts of your choice. So friends, do try this super easy and refreshing summer drink at your homes and enjoy. So if you like the recipe, do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.